So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can colorize a black and white photo with AI. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, here you have to search for palette.fm. You can see the right URL. If I pronounce it wrong, be very careful with the URL. If you mistype it, you won't be able to go to the site. Now here, all you need to do is to just simply click on this option of colorize photo. Now here, simply select your black and white photo, and once you open it, it will take some time and colorize your photo. Now here you can see it has generated my photo. Let's just skip this one. Here you can see it has generated the colorized photo of my black and white photo. You can see the results that looks very realistic. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.